Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and I am here today with our product manager, Debbie. Debbie
Hi.
works in our online shop. She does all of our inventory, make sure that all of our orders are correct as they're going out the door. So Debbie really is a crucial part of our business here at the Art of Home. So in this video, we are highlighting some products that we have which are patriotic in theme. As we start these summer holidays, we've got Memorial Day, Flag Day, 4th of July, and even Labor Day at the end of the summer. So these are all things that are going to be great, mostly red, white, and blue themed projects, but one or two that are not. So, Debbie, I think we should start with this one because this has been really popular. So,
Yes.
this is what we call our red, white, and blue summer. And we're also, let's talk about these hangers with the little clips. These are really popular, aren't they?
Yes, all the mini kits are popular. They seem to fly out the door,
Right.
but these are also sold. The hangers and the clips, you can buy those as well. They look
Right.
cute. You can hang them on a door. Any little
And then
hanger you
just,
want to stick around your house and
right.
just hang them up. And the other thing about all of the mini kits is they come with the most adorable buttons.
Yeah,
Uh,
I think we forgot to put the buttons on this
this
sample because I was probably in a hurry to get it done.
These are
But
so cute. There's five little pink circles and three stars, and
yeah,
that come with this kit. And you can put the stars right on top of the stars on the pail if you want it.
yeah,
And I think the circles are for the flowers
right. I mean, and they're so
design.
tiny.
They're
I don't know
tiny.
that you
They're
can
so
really
cute.
appreciate them, but they're adorable on here. And I don't know if
Mhm.
you noticed, we've got watermelon fabric to go with our watermelon theme, and even you get the
So
backing
cute.
with this backing and binding, which also has a watermelon theme. So this is really super
And the
popular.
panel.
So the only thing that you don't get is the thread and the batting. You get oh yeah, you get the pre-printed panel. You
Yeah.
get the fabrics for the front, for the binding and the backing. So and then the buttons. So all you need is a little piece of batting, a batting scrap, and some thread, and you can make this in an afternoon. So super cute. And
Yes.
we do have other seasons available. So that's another reason why that hanger is great because it makes it so easy to swap out your mini quilt for the
Yes.
seasons because we have the Easter or spring bunnies. We have a Valentine's one. We have a Christmas one with a Christmas tree, and
The
then
butterflies that are
oh yes,
also
butterflies, which are great for spring and summer. And then we are
the teacup.
also oh yeah,
Yeah,
and then
very
we're
cool.
gonna have a fall one coming up, which we'll be releasing probably late in the summer, which is going to have a fall theme.
Yeah.
So we're going to have these little mini kits for every single season. So they're just really fun to put together. Again, really popular. So the next thing we could talk about are these little patriotic coaster kits. The coaster kits have been really popular too. And you can make these into a coaster. You could also put a little loop on them and make them into an ornament.
You know what I like? I I love these kids
I know you do.
because I like to sit, watch TV or YouTube, which I watch a lot, and just I got something in my hands and I'm being productive and making something cute.
Yeah, yeah.
I there's We have a bunch of these different kits throughout the year for different seasons and holidays, but these are really cute.
Yeah,
Look
and they
at the
come
little
with
gnome.
they
Oh
come
my
with the
gosh.
felt, they come with the
Get
embroidery floss, they come
everything.
with the instructions.
Mhm.
So really all you need for these is like basic sewing supplies like scissors, a needle. I'm not sure, maybe you might need a little bit of glue, but that's all
Yeah,
you would need to finish it.
they're fun.
Um, and you could put, like I said, you could put a loop on the top to make an ornament. You could glue a stick to the back and make like a little plant poke out of it if you wanted to.
Yeah,
So and they make cute gifts too. So
they're
so
fun.
those are also in our sort of the patriotic section of our shop. So another thing that has been really popular is we have a couple of these needle minders, and we've got this is a blue barn with a quilt, um, a barn quilt on the barn, which a barn quilt, if you've ever seen them driving through the country, it's just like they used to put like wooden paintings that were
Hmm.
like a quilt block. So then we've got that
Cute.
one, and then we've got the little red, white, and blue truck.
That's
So
new.
yes, that's brand new. We're just
Yeah,
announcing this one
it's cute.
today. So these are great. Again, if you're doing handwork and you have a tendency to lose your needle, it just there's a magnet on the back. it can just clip right to it magnets right to your piece of fabric that you're working on, so you don't lose your needle, and then your needles will just stick on this. The other thing we have found about these is they make really nice pins, like a brooch.
You can,
because it's a
the
really,
magnet is strong.
it's a strong magnet, and sometimes you put a pin on or a brooch and it snags your sweater. This, because it's a magnet, it doesn't snag. So that's just kind of a bonus use that we have found for using them. So even if you think I don't need a needle minder, you might know somebody or yourself who might want a little pin to wear. This would be real cute on a t-shirt for like 4th of July or something.
It would.
So okay, let's talk about next the Americana quilts book. So this one has, do you remember how many? Oh, it says 11 quilts. Now we've had this one in the shop for a little while, I think, and I think this has been pretty popular. Again, red, white, and blue, patriotic. I think if you're decorating your porch, if you've got a porch that you like to decorate for the 4th of July holiday, these would be really cute. Just, if you want to decorate your home for the 4th of July. 4th of July isn't like Christmas or fall where you tend to have lots and lots of decorations, probably for most people. So if you just want something to add like a little patriotic touch to your home, that'd be great for a beach house. And then remember, just because they show them in red, white, and blue doesn't mean you have to do them in red, white, and blue.
Right.
Yeah. Like
switch it up.
If you swapped out green for red, green for blue, you've automatically got Christmas quilts here. If you do pink instead of the red, do pink and blue, well, now you've got a baby quilt or like a cottagey looking quilt. So since these are all pieced, it says patriotic, but don't be limited by that. There's just so much you could do with these just by swapping out the colors and making all kinds of quilts for every season. So this is a really great little book, and the price point on this is really great too. I think this one's like $10.95 or $11.95. Yeah, for 11 projects. So you can't beat that. That's great. Okay, so this is a digital pattern. So this is called Ahoy. Again, red, white, and blue, very summery. Great table topper. You put it on your table, and then you've got, this little, I like when you have it on your table and it has like this little center square, kind of highlights a little vase of flowers or something. You could hang it on the wall. I also like to take these little square quilts and I'll hang them like this, point down on like a sofa.
I like that.
Yeah. Again, really just a quick and easy way to decorate. And this, you could do this in a weekend. So, and this is machine applique. And I believe this one comes with a video tutorial for doing machine applique. I think most of ours do.
I know this one, the next one you're going to show does.
Okay. If you purchase this digital pattern and you don't get an applique tutorial with it, just let us know and we'll just send you the link for it, because yes, like the next one I'm going to show you, I know that we do we do an applique tutorial. So this does not have a patriotic theme, but because it's so summery, we thought, let's just throw it in the mix. And this is another little square, just like the Ahoy that I just showed you. So, but this one's cherries. And this is adorable. This has the cutest cherry fabric.
I was thinking about George Washington and the cherry tree.
Yeah, I think that's like a wives' tale or folklore. But
I was thinking about that.
I learned it in school. I don't know how true it is, but I learned it. So yeah, so the great thing about this one is we also have a kit available. So if you love this cherry, let's take out the cherry fabric and show people. If you love the cherry fabric in this, this is slightly different cherry fabric.
It's different.
Yeah, slightly different because I think we ran out of the pink, so now we've got the blue. But it's still cute. You still get the cherry look with your kit, and it even comes with like a little matching gift tag. So if you want to make it for somebody and put a little tag on it to and from that matches, really cute. And this one also comes with a machine applique tutorial. So yeah, so that's included.
Little link to
right. So you just use the QR code and you it'll take you right to the tutorial for doing machine applique. So we've got that. That's a great little kit. Again, a weekend, or depending on how fast you sew, maybe a couple of days. That's a great little kit. So those are the products that we are highlighting today. Great to kick off your summer. And one more thing, you may notice we've got this Patriotic fish runner behind me. Now, this isn't actually a pattern or a kit that's for sale. This is going to be released in just a couple of days to members of the Art of Home Club. So if you are interested in being a member of the club and getting exclusive projects like this, which I love the red, white, and blue for summer. And I just think this is great for summer, a beach house, for your summer table. But think about if you did this like in some muddy, like greens and blues, this would be great in a cabin or a lake house. There's also a pattern in there for a quilt. So again, if you did it in like greens and browns and grays, what a great guys kit quilt if you know somebody who likes to fish. So yeah, if you are interested in the club, we're going to drop a link here in the description to let you know about the club. You can also send us an email. We'll put the link in there. And we're going to put in the description of this video links for all of the products that we've shown you today. So you can just click over if you're interested. And again, our email will be there. So if you have any questions, you can just email us and we're happy to help. I think that's it. Yeah. So thanks for joining me today. This is the first time Debbie and I have done a video together. I think it went really well. So maybe we'll do some more of these in the future. Tell us in the comments if you liked this video, and then maybe we'll do more. So, okay. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.